Rotisserie chicken on the new Monument Eminence 605 grill. Stick around, we're gonna get right into it. All right, friends, we are gonna season this whole chicken with my sweet red dirt. It's fantastic on chicken here. And you could use a binder, but we're just gonna go for it. I think it's been sitting out and has some good moisture and will receive all of the seasoning just fine. We've seasoned the whole chicken with sweet red dirt. We have taken the twine and we have wrapped this bird up so that it doesn't flail on us when we put it on the rotisserie. And so we're gonna take this out to the grill and begin to put the spit in, and we'll give you kind of instructions on how we're gonna light up the Monument grill and get this thing going. All right, team, we've got the Monument Eminence series. This is the 605 series, and it comes with a rotisserie, which is an awesome feature that we're gonna go ahead and put in here. There we go. And let that sit there. And we have fired up the exterior burners, and now we're gonna light up the rear burner here, which is a pretty cool feature. And then we're gonna go ahead and spin this and let it ride. There we go. And let's see if I've cleared the grill grate while it's spinning. I think I've done it. And I might make an adjustment as I'm looking at this and move it to the left a little bit more center of the grill. And we'll give you updates, and then we're gonna base this towards the end with some butter and some herbs just to get it to the maximum flavor. Well, while the chicken is cooking, let me highlight some of these cool features. Comes with this top grill grate there for your vegetables and things like that. We've got a cool side sear station here that is incredible. Then you got a total of 7 burners here, magnetic doors, the little trash can, another place to store supplies, propane. But one of the cool features is it sits on this propane base that's a sensor that's tied to the digital display here. And we'll get a close-up, and it shows you if your propane is full, medium, or completely low and empty based on the weight. And right now it's green because we just filled it up. And so this is a great innovative feature from Monument Grills that I did not know when I received this, that was a feature. And then obviously it has probes and even has a little USB-C, I believe, opening here to charge your device while you're out here on the grill. And it comes with 2 pit probes. Using the rotisserie, we're doing wireless, but if you're cooking anything else like steaks, chicken, and other things that are directly on the grill grates, that's a great feature that it comes standard that way. Comes with the rotisserie as part of this package deal. It's got wheel locks on all 4 wheels. Super smart grill, very thoughtful grill. And let us know in the comments if you have questions. And we're gonna go ahead and take this butter with some herbs with my dust bowl, melt this so we can start basting this chicken in the next 5 to 10 minutes. All right, team, this Yardbird is done. It is crispy. It is beautiful. It's smelling wonderful. Just letting the smells just rotate, getting that aroma. So bring you in so you can kind of see what it looks like. As I mentioned earlier, I had the spit kind of stop while I was taking a break, and it just kind of got the heat on one side. So that's one little tip to be mindful of, making sure the spit is all the way in the rotisserie holder. That's why one side got really charred. So a little more user error than it has anything to do with the grill, but we're gonna let this sit for about 5 minutes off the grill, bring you inside, slice this up, give you our final thoughts on this chicken, and let us know what questions you have about this awesome Monument grill. All right, the chicken's done. We're slicing down some breast here. Oh, it's super tender. All right, just trying to get it around it so you can see it there. All right, let's cut a piece so we can taste it, tell you what we think. You see that beautiful exterior crust there. Here we go. Oh yeah. All right, team, we finished up the cook. Taste test was outstanding. Let us know what questions you had about the cook, but also the grill. And from my backyard to yours, less hate, more love, good barbecue. Till next time.